Good morning, Nanay. It's your kaarawan today. I know you're 100 years old. I wish you good health and more years of celebration. Um, Wishing you more happiness, more joyful, and more love on this 100th year of your birthday on earth. Malakas ka po. Maligayang kaarawan po uli. This is Ami from Queens Row, Bacoor, Cavite. God bless you, Nay. Sana lumakas ka pa po. Happy birthday again.